Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to fix the problem which says PHP update required. WordPress has detected that your site is running on an insecure version of PHP. What is PHP and how does it affect your site? Oh, no, that's what we're gonna do, and we're gonna show you how to fix that. We saw that it's relevant for you to come and do stuff, for you to come and do and fix this. So the reason why you're getting this, it means that you're getting a what a you're getting a what a you're using old PHP. So PHP wants you to WordPress wants you to update. I'm sorry about that. WordPress wants you to update that website, though your website is what? Your website is PHP. So that's why we get in this error message. So you have to fix this. You have to go to your FTP folder, your cPanel, then you fix that. So we're gonna fix it together. You're gonna see what I'm going to do. Then we won't have that problem anymore. Go to your cPanel and try to do something like this. Go to your cPanel and find something like, I'm gonna get you there. I want to go to wait. I'm gonna get you there. Okay, multiple PHP manager, you click there. You can see it's using PHP 5, so we're gonna put it as high as PHP 4 7.4. this version selected. Apply new version. Okay, when we try to apply, it doesn't, but then we try this one. I wonder why these are all disabled. Let's see that. So we select the site. Yes, that's what he wanted. We select the site, then we select PHP, this PHP, and then we update. It says successfully applied version 7.4 7.4. okay, so now this means, okay, before you do that, you have to read this. It says this message. It says the system default PHP version is by the system administrator. The system default PHP version is set by the system administrator. So the system administrator, this guy is the one I'm hosting with, they left it on 5.4 point something. So what I say, I did put it on what? On 7. You can see it's in 7. So now they say any domain that is set to the inherit value indicates that it does not have its own PHP version explicitly set. Read about this. Okay, the hosting companies, sometimes they leave your PHP onto old PHPs. So now you get a warning. A warning says, never neglect warnings. You might get something bad afterwards. Select the domains that you wish to change from the table, then apply a PHP version from the list. So this is what they say. They say do this. You select your domain. If you have many domains here, you can select many, then you select the PHP version, then you click apply. So they say warning, PHP versions 5.4, 5.5, 5.6, 7.0, 7.1 are deprecated. So it means these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all these versions, all of these are not supported by PHP anymore. They don't have support. So we recommend that you update to a version of PHP. For more information, read our PHP documentation. Okay, that's great. Then what we're gonna do, we're gonna say apply. We did select it, so we need versions which are supported. So you can start from version 7.2, 7.3, 7.4. These are supported versions of PHP. So but starting from 7.1, what all of these, they not support them. So that's why you find that WordPress also, they don't allow you to they emphasize that you do what, you put a newer version to avoid all of the, you see all the new plugins they build now. They want to use PHP which is a little bit what, newer, a newer version of PHP. So that's why we are forced to change to PHP, the one which is supported by all platforms. So let's go back to our website. Gonna be that's the website we're going to get onto, and we're not going to get that message anymore. So we were getting that message whenever we come here. You can see site health, so it was showing that message here, but we do what, we have done everything, so everything is well. You can do your everything, update your plugins and so on. So it simply means if we go to updates, because I ran into some errors in one of the domains, because the plugins could not update, because the PHP version I was using, it was older. So that problem we had, the problem was saying that WordPress has detected that your site is running on an insecure version of PHP. So they feel like based on security, you cannot use a version which is older, yet there is a very great new version of PHP which is supported by most of people who are building plugins, and also which is still supported by PHP. So those versions which are not supported by PHP, also WordPress is trying to abandon them so that they don't get into trouble. So WordPress is using PHP, and if anything goes wrong, it will be a very bad thing for WordPress and also a bad name for PHP. So that's why they recommend them to use that thing. So guys, we're done with that, and we can also install a new plugin to see if everything is fine. So if not everything is fine, a new plugin is not going to give you a chance to update it. You get me? Classic editor. Let's look for Elementor. Any plugin is good. Now let me say contact form. Okay, contact form, any contact form. You can install any contact form, any plugin to test what you installed, if it works. Okay, I'm gonna choose any of my own choice. Sometimes you browse through and think, if you never use the plugin and you just guess, but anyway, we take the one which have more stars. This the rating is higher, 40,000, 60,000 plus, so which is good. I can install this for now, so I'll see later. So if you install this plugin and everything goes well, simply means you're fine. Also, the way to test, sometimes you can try to wait for the plugin when they get new updates. So when they get new updates, they give trouble, they ask you to do that. Thanks guys for watching. This is the end of our tutorial. I'm sure, and I hope everything goes well for you and you fix that problem. So thanks for watching guys. And if you can't update, you know, some hosting companies, they don't give you that power to do that. You have to write an email to them to tell them to upgrade your PHP to the latest, at least if PHP point 7.3 or 7.4, because 7.2 also one day or close. I'm sure it's close to be also deprecated. So thanks guys for watching. See you in the next video.